There have been multiple reports of police and soldiers allegedly taking over Lekki Tollgate area ahead of a fresh EndSARS protest on Monday, December 7th. It is alleged that the security operatives were deployed around midnight after military and police authorities warned that they would not allow any round of protests to take place. Lagos State Police spokesperson Muyiwa Adejobi had, in a statement released on Sunday, December 6, stated that some unpatriotic individuals and groups were planning to embark on a replica of the recent destructive and violent EndSARS protest on Monday. He described it as illegal and further averred that it will be stopping the protests. Adejobi said in a statement, "The command has reliably gathered intelligence that certain individuals and groups have concluded to plan to lure unsuspecting Lagosians, especially youths, into their planned protest, which is proposed to commence tomorrow, Monday, 7th December 2020, at a designated location in the state." Angry truck drivers and youths on Sunday shut down the Asaba-Onitsha Expressway following the death of one of their members, killed in an accident while escaping from suspected revenue collectors at the bridgehead. 25-year-old truck driver killed in an accident while being chased by suspected revenue collectors in Onitsha. The deceased, identified as 25-year-old Michael Okori, a driver of an articulated truck, was reportedly being pursued by the tax collectors stationed at the head bridge on Onitsha when he suddenly lost control of the vehicle and crashed into a concrete barricade. The deceased was rushed to Toronto Hospital by the police, where he was confirmed dead on arrival by the medical doctor. The incident caused an heavy traffic gridlock in the area as hundreds of angry drivers blocked the highway with bonfires. Spokesman to the state's police command, Haruna Mohammed, who confirmed the incident in a statement on Sunday, December 6, said the Commissioner of Police, John Abang, has ordered a full-scale investigation into the matter.